This is the first in a 3-video series from AutomationDirect.com, using productivity line PLCs with IOLink. IOLink is a standardized protocol that enables connection of field devices such as sensors and actuators to a controller like a PLC. Two-way communication between the controller and a number of field devices is facilitated by an IOLink master. The controller is connected via an Ethernet network to the IOLink master, which then connects point to one or more intelligent field devices. In this example, we'll set up communication through a Stride Basic IOLink master between an Automation Direct Productivity 2000 PLC and two field devices, a Verma eSign stack light and a Wengler photo eye sensor. A quick overview of these components. The eSign stack light is an advanced multi-tiered signal tower from Verma, with 15 independently configurable signal tiers and 10 selectable audio siren tones. The eSign provides maximum signaling flexibility. The Wengler photoelectric sensor is a retroreflective model. If the beam is blocked and does not return to the emitter, the sensor's output will change states. The Stride Basic IOLink master allows a PLC to connect with up to 8 IOLink-capable field devices with no complicated field wiring. Simply plug the devices into the master's 5-pin M12 ports. If not connecting to an IOLink device, each of the M12 ports can handle 2 simple discrete I/O points. On the other side, the master is in dialogue with the PLC over an Ethernet IP connection, relaying device status, PLC commands, error reports, and system data back and forth between the PLC and each connected field device. The Productivity 2000 PLC needs no introduction. The powerful and versatile controller from Automation Direct makes setting all of this up astonishingly easy with a freely downloadable configuration program available on our web store at www.AutomationDirect.com. In the Shopping Categories field on the left of the screen, click Field I/O. Select IOLink. Click IOLink Masters. Select the Stride Basic IOLink master. Click Downloads. Click the download link for the Productivity Suite Task Library integration file. Once the Productivity Suite integration folder is downloaded, unzip and find inside these 5 items. The Stride IOLink integration project is an example program for the Productivity, demonstrating the use of various IOLink components. 2 EDS files, one for the Stride Basic IOLink master, the other for the Mur Electronic Premium IOLink master. The Automation Direct IOLink.adtkl is the library containing the IOLink program tasks we'll use in this project. The PDF Using Productivity with IOLink covers some of the same setup information we'll be discussing in these videos. In the next video, we'll begin to look at the setup needed in the productivity software to make this all work. Click here to see video 2. Click here to check out Automation Direct's range of IOLink-capable products.